Alright, so in this hopefully fast tutorial, we're just gonna render out the animation. So from here, we're gonna go to first make sure that the timeline is active in blue, because After Effects can get kind of fickle or stubborn. And then we're gonna go to composition, add to render queue. This will pop up. Previously we were here, now we're gonna be here. And then H.264, click it, H.264, blah blah blah. Format options, yours might be different. Target bit rate, 15 is fine for this. And then I'm gonna hit OK. Here you want to click that, and then this tells you where it's being saved to. So wherever, like this one says desktop, so I guess that's fine. You want to put like your name, like your name, and then custom pivot exercise. Is that how you spell exercise? Exercise, whatever. Yeah, so custom pivot exercise, blah blah blah. You can see it right there, H.264. That's a .mp4. Hit save. Then you're gonna go render. When you hear that magical ring, that means it's done. So that's pretty much it. And then you want to place it into your section on Sync Sketch. Yeah, you're good to go on that. Alright, bye.